Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Now, next video topic, still on Solo, we did want to cover the guaranteed pay feature. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver or a gig worker, you can get guaranteed pay through Work Solo. I wanted to make this video because this feature specifically is expanding to new cities like crazy. At the rate they're going, they're going to be completely nationwide soon with this pay guarantee feature, guys. So if you haven't heard of Work Solo, if you just found this video, they are an app that is nationwide right now. So if you live anywhere in the country, you can sign up for free, get $10 when you use our link below to sign up for free and kind of get into the whole ecosystem. But this pay guarantee feature is something that most people, when they hear about it, they're like, it doesn't even seem like true because it's so cool. But basically, when you sign up, you can start clocking in for shifts. Like, it's nuts. Like, you can select this shift if you're already doing Instacart during this hour or Uber. Let's say you're going out and driving Uber in the evening. Just click that you're gonna drive for Uber at 5 p.m. and they're gonna guarantee that you make 29 bucks. And if you don't make $29, like if you make 19, they're gonna pay you the difference so that you do make $29.
Yeah, they'll just send you $10.
Yeah, it's crazy. And so the thing is, guys, is that it's not nationwide yet, but look how fast they're expanding. And I was actually talking with the Solo team about this, and I was saying that it's an extremely positive sign that they did not start out nationwide. Because doing the Rideshare Hub for years, guys, there have been so many companies that try to go nationwide right away, and guess what? They face issues. There are hundreds of thousands of drivers, millions of drivers, people who sign up and quit within a day, and like, it's just so much headache with this whole gig economy because there's so much turnover that it's preferable to see a company start in a specific area and then get really good before expanding to the next location, then the next location. Think about how Facebook started. Facebook started at Harvard, then they went to Boston University, then they went here, then they went there, and slowly and slowly and slowly, after a couple years, they were fully nationwide just for college students. Then they expanded, I believe, to high school students. And then, everybody and their mother uses Facebook now. So, or anybody can use Facebook. So, like, it kind of seems that that's what Work Solo is doing. So, I challenge you, if you live in a city where Work Solo is not active for pay guarantee, go sign up for their free version because they use driver data to guarantee the pay, to compute these averages and stuff. So like, let's say you're in one of these white cities that's not blue. I would say go sign up here so that way they're going to say, oh wow, we have a ton of drivers in this area. Let's go here next. And as you can see, like, a few months ago, there was only like, I don't know, a few of these. So like they're still expanding pretty fast. So yeah, pretty cool. So go check out Work Solo if you drive for any of these apps. Amazon Flex, DoorDash, Grubhub, GoPuff, Instacart, Lyft, Shipt, Uber, and Uber Eats. What about Postmates? I don't see Postmates on here.
Oh.
Do they do Postmates?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
I'll have to check on that. I don't see Postmates on here. Maybe they don't do Postmates. They do Shipt.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, Shipt is on that list. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, and another good legitimate thing is that they have partnered up with Harry Campbell, the Rideshare Guy. He's super legit. So just kind of another cool thing.
Oh my God.
It's just another like cool thing. Like they have a list on their site of all the people who have they've partnered up with. That's me. These other guys too.
Wait, you're on there?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah. So yeah. But yeah, let's move on. So use the link below for that.